We are here in ASUS's booth at CES 2023 to check out none other than their newest gaming-focused Chromebook, the ASUS Chromebook Vibe CX34 Flip. I think I got all those words in the right order, but it's a new take from ASUS on the gaming Chromebook, and it's got a lot of really cool features, so let's check it out. So right off the bat, the name probably sounds familiar. ASUS kind of jumped in on the gaming Chromebook thing back in the fall, and they released a device that honestly felt a little bit rehashed. It was the CM5, the CX5, that kind of chassis with some different things in it, a 144 hertz screen, for instance. But ultimately, it just didn't feel like it was really built, like purpose-built to be a gaming Chromebook. The exact opposite is true with this particular new Flip CX34 device. It's still labeled as a Vibe Chromebook, so it's still got that kind of gaming flair with a RGB keyboard and 144 hertz screen. But this time around, instead of 250 nits, this thing goes all the way up to 400 nits. It's 16 by 10 at 14 inches. It looks fantastic. It's a full HD screen too, so everything looks nice and sharp on there. Again, you get the RGB keyboard, and you know, ASUS makes good keyboards and trackpads, so this thing feels great too. It's convertible. It has a stowed USI pin, so that kind of harkens back to one of my favorite Chromebooks, the Flip CX3400, that had their stowable stylus inside. It's kind of got that kind of vibe to it, if I can use that word in this particular video. It just feels really good. Now, it's all plastic. I don't want to confuse that and act like this is some like super high premium Chromebook, but it's really good plastic. It's very firm, it's very rigid. Again, the keyboard deck feels really nice. The trackpad feels great. The screen looks amazing. Stowed stylus in the side, convertible form factor, 144 hertz screen. So you're getting that nice high refresh rate for stuff like GeForce Now. I mean, it is a nice package. Screen to body ratio is really good, so you get their nice thin bezels, and it brings all the stuff that we tend to love about ASUS Chromebooks all to the table at once. And that's kind of what I felt like was missing with their first gaming Chromebook. It was like, it just kind of felt like an afterthought. And from the tone of some of the people that have told us about that device, it kind of was. They just wanted to get in on the gaming Chromebook thing while they were cooking this one up. And the cool thing is, instead of this being like, hey, here's this Chromebook and it'll be available sometime in Q2, this thing is showing up in stores right now. So this is one of these ones that you're gonna watch this video, and if you like the look of it, we haven't reviewed it yet, obviously, you're gonna be able to go decide whether or not you wanna buy it. And from what we're seeing, I think it's gonna be in about the $700 range. It's a Core i5 12th gen, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of NVMe storage inside. And you pair that with all the stuff I just told you about the outside of this Chromebook, and you've got a really, really good package going on here. It's something that we cannot wait to get in the office and check out, to play some games on, but really to get productive on too, because I mean, this is a productivity-focused Chromebook as well. Yeah, it does the gaming stuff well, but ASUS is saying they really wanted to focus on productivity as well. And I think from what we're seeing so far, this thing's gonna strike a really good balance there. But guys, that's it for this one. For continuing coverage and all this stuff that's coming out from CES 2023, be sure to like this video first, then go down there, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification icon next to that so that you'll be alerted when we make future videos just like this one. Till next time, we'll see you.